So we just finished up this install on the Jaguar F-Type 2013 for the Apple CarPlay. I'll take you around, show you the Apple CarPlay here. So to go in and out of the system, we have functions of the home button, navigation button on the center. Go back, we can also use the navigation button down here, which will also activate into CarPlay. Now from here, you can have Spotify, your recently played music, which will be on here playing. We can do Waze. Obviously we can search for our destination all through here. We have the ability for Google Maps or Safari. Same applies, you can search through here as well. We have phone calls. You can do your contacts, your recently used ones, and your keypad. We have other Apple CarPlay ready apps will become available as well on here. Obviously this works with the original steering wheel control buttons. As you can see, it will reduce your volume or increase your volume. Increasing the volume and reducing the volume. Through here. Obviously we can skip left and right on the tracks as well.